How to set up parental controls on your Android device. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily set up parental controls on your Android device. Open up your settings application, and then from here you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find digital well-being and parental controls. From there, you want to go over to parental controls, scroll down here and go to parental controls. Now you're going to have to set up your parental controls with your Google account. Now just tap on Let's Do This. Now you can select an account that you want to supervise and then tap on Supervise Account. Now what it's saying here is that the only account that can be signed in is the one that you want to supervise. This is because of the technical limitations, so all you have to do is go ahead and sign out of all of your other accounts, and then you can sign in to the only account that you want to supervise. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go. And after doing so, you should be able to add content restrictions, set the timer limits, and help your child balance their screen time. So that is basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.